everyone, welcome back to Kravings Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. I have a great recipe for you today. If you love pakoras, bhajias, bhojes, whatever they're called, I'm going to be making this recipe with a twist. These are my pakora twists. I'm going to start with the potato. I have 2 medium potatoes here and I'm going to spiralize them. This yields about 2 cups. I'm also going to prepare a simple chickpea batter. I have 1 cup of chickpea or gram flour. This is also called besan ka atta in Hindi. To this, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of rice flour. Rice flour is optional, but it will give your pakoras a really nice crispiness. I'm going to add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and now I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of water. Just add this in a little bit at a time, stirring vigorously as you go to get a smooth batter. The batter should be the consistency of cream. When you spiralize the potatoes, you will get long strands like these, which will be hard work, so I'm going to cut this into smaller strands. I'm now going to add 1 cup of sliced onions. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of curry leaves. I just cut the curry leaves with the scissors. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of sliced green chilies, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Add the batter and mix well. My oil is heating up. I'm just going to test it before adding the first one. I'm going to grab a small bundle and insert it carefully into the oil. Keep a scissors handy, so if you're still finding long strands of potato, you can just snip it. Depending on the temperature of your oil, you're going to cook each batch for 3 to 5 minutes. The potatoes don't take too long to cook, but you do want them to get super crispy. I'm going to keep adding and cooking the rest of the batches. Serve this hot with some ketchup, and if you need to reheat it, just pop it into your oven or even your air fryer. Enjoy!